Okay, carpet cleaning world. This is Roger Lloyd, your administrator, and you are watching the install. I am at Clark's Industrial. I've advertised and told you about them for all you guys over here on the East Coast. If you're in Delaware, if you're in Jersey, or if you're right here in Philadelphia or Pennsylvania even, instead of going to John Don's or Interlink and just going to these places that you have to sit around and just, hope that you get the quality service that you deserve, why not find another company that can also do the same job? And as you see, Joey is disassembling my shelf for my chemical shelf, and he's getting ready to take my truck mount and everything out of this equipment here, out of this truck here, and we're getting ready to say goodbye to the box truck, to the old box truck. She was good to me. We loved her. She was good. She was good while she lasted. But ladies and gentlemen, I keep trying to tell you, you have to keep growing and you have to graduate. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to see the new vehicle for BioClean. You're watching this slowly but surely. This is a Mercedes Sprinter. That's right. My show truck now is going to be a Mercedes Sprinter. Now I want you to see this now before it gets lettered up. I want you guys to see this. This is an extended van. I do residential and light commercial carpet cleaning services. So look at this thing. This is beautiful. So we're getting ready to take all the shelves out. This used to be owned by FedEx. So we're going to leave these two shelves right here, but we're going to take these shelves out on this side and we're going to put the hose reels in. And Joey already said that we're going to slide the truck mount in right here as they normally would go. It's going to slide in right here on the side. Now, I don't always have a helper or an employee with me, but just in case I do, I have a seat right here, not a full passenger seat, but a seat that I can fold up if I don't need it, if I don't have someone with me. And then look at all this space I have. Look at all this space I have. Now, because this is an extended truck, I do have the rear camera. The sun is kind of blocking it, but I want you guys to see. Guys, you have to understand that you want to keep growing. You want your clients, you want your potential clients to keep seeing you grow. But then remember, Antoine Evans has learned this very well from me. I'm trying to let you guys see this. This is beautiful. This is what's going to pull up in someone's front yard. Now, when they see this, are they going to think that I'm the cheap, average carpet cleaner? Of course not. But then, let's let this... All right. We got fire hydrant, fire engines and everything going by. Sorry about that. But when they see this... But look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get up in here so you guys can see some things. See? Now, I'm about 5'7" feet. I'm standing up in this like it's nothing. So I'm going to get a ramp because I have bad knees. And I don't, like I said, I work by myself a lot of times. But I wanted you guys to see this. Let me see. Look, so if I have to mix chemical, I can pull that shelf down right there and I can mix all the chemical I need. Now, this is a rack here that's going to hold all my paperwork and everything like that. But these shelves right here, well, at least this one right here, the bottom one is coming down. But on this side, these are going to be coming out because the hose reel and the 250-gallon water tank is going right here in the middle. So all these will come out. These shelves are going to remain for all my mixing and everything else. I'm going to put my chemical shelf right here. But look at all this space. Like, I mean, are you kidding me? This is the Mercedes Sprinter. And then he's going to give a few feet from the water tank. So if I need to get back here, see this door opens up. I have all the space up here. I have my rear view camera right here so I can see behind me. And then what I really like about this has, if you can see, an exhaust fan in the back. You guys have to vent out your truck, especially if you're running an engine inside or propane. So right here, there's a fan built into the top. So while the truck mount is running, I'm going to have that fan kick on so it's cooling off the truck mount, making sure the engine is cool and it's keeping the back nice and cool. So guys, like, you want to keep growing. You want to keep growing. This all came from an Every Door direct mailer, because I mailed the routes out like I always tell you. I got a call from a warehouse because our state is opening up, or our county, next Friday. So he wanted everything done this weekend. He had 28,000 square feet, and he asked me for an estimate. He asked me for a ballpark. I said, well, I have to measure and look at everything. He says, no, I want all the carpet done. I want all the chairs done. I said, well, how many chairs do you have? He said, I have about 300 chairs. I said, 300 chairs and 28,000 square feet. And I was joking. I said, that's going to be about $12,000. And then he was like, will you take a check? So I said, what? I was like, yeah. He said, listen, I got to get all this done this weekend. I got to get open. I got to get ready for next week. So I don't know what you would do with $12,000, but I took my $12,000 check and I invested it back in the BioClean. And this is what I purchased. This is what I purchased. A Mercedes Sprinter extended van that, imagine, I do residential and light commercial carpet cleaning. Imagine now, let me get down, hold on. Imagine now when I pull up in front of my client's house, they were getting this. They were getting this U-Haul type box truck. Now, they're getting a Mercedes Sprinter. Sorry the sun is in the way, but I'm just trying to show you. Like, you want to grow, ladies and gentlemen. You want to learn how to market. This all came from an Every Door direct mailer that someone that owned a small business purchased. He had a 28,000 square foot warehouse building with carpet and chairs, about 300 chairs that needed to be cleaned. And I just threw out a joke. I was joking when I said it would cost him $12,000. And he asked me, could I take a check? And now I invested back into my business. And now, goodbye to the old box truck. Hello to the new Sprinter. The new Mercedes Sprinter. This means something, ladies and gentlemen, when your clients see what you're pulling up in. Remember, presentation is everything. Right, Antoine Evans? Right, Antoine Evans? This is it. They don't got to come to the Carpet Cleaning World University, Antoine. I appreciate you yesterday. They don't want to understand. They don't want to get that this right here is what can happen when you listen and when you market. They're not ready for this. They don't want nothing like this. They don't want somebody to get them a $12,000 check. The man didn't give me half, like Antoine always says. Oh, I get clients that gave me half. This man gave me the whole enchilada. He said he has to open up by next week. So you think about it. But listen, for all you guys here on the East Coast, I want to give a shout out to Clark's Industrial. Look how he's professionally reinstalling everything. He's reinstalling everything from my old truck to my new show truck, the Mercedes Sprinter for the BioClean image. And we're getting ready to get it lettered up. And what we're going to say on the side here, it's going to have a picture of us cleaning some carpet, BioClean, and it says BioClean sets the standard by which all carpet cleaning companies are judged. And then you're going to see it on the side of a Mercedes Sprinter. So you do the math. You don't got to listen to me. You can keep doing things the way you're doing it. Or you could watch what happens. Now, after Joey installs everything from Clark's Industrial here in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, you need to look them up. They do fantastic work. Some of the best people you could ever hire. I could have put a 55-gallon drum in here. I could have put a 75-gallon tank in here. I could have put a 100-gallon tank in here. But see, Joey's not a carpet cleaner installer like John Don's and Interlink. He's like, well, Roger, how often do you want to fill up your tank? Do you want to have to keep filling it up every day, all day? Or do you want a tank in here that can carry the grunt for most of the week? I said, of course, I want a tank that can carry the grunt for most of the week. So he said, well, let's put a tank in here. This is the tank right here. Let's put a tank in there that'll hold you some water. So we're going to put this tank in there, and we're going to put a pickup pump behind it. And guess what? I'm going to have to fill up probably one or two times a week, and then I'm good to go. I'm going to have the proper filters and everything else in there, so none of the junk in the tank will ever get caught up in my machine or anything like that. And ladies and gentlemen, you want to grow. You want to see growth, but you can't see growth if you don't learn how to market. I'm glad you got your IIC certification. I'm glad you got a beautiful truck mount. So do I, but it's not enough. You need to come to the Carpet Cleaning World University so this can happen to you. We could be watching your success story. Antoine Evans, my friend and the ambassador of the Carpet Cleaning World, was so excited when we celebrated yesterday when I went and picked this bad boy up. This all came from my EDDM program that I keep trying to tell you guys. So is $200 not worth a possible $12,000 client? Well, that's up to you. You need to give Janae a call today at 484-420-7220 so I can get you on the way to being the known professional in your area. And if not, hey, Antoine, you and I will, right? Y'all take care now.